Over the last 35 years, the business has been really lucky to work with some of Australia's largest businesses. Names like Visy, Qantas, Melbourne Airport, they all had the same type of issues where they didn't know where to turn for their power solution optimization back many years ago. And now that we've installed equipment on their sites, they still turn to us today to do all the service work on their systems.
My name's David Stratford. I started Eastern District Electrics in the 80s doing general contracting, and it grew as we installed more equipment, we serviced more equipment, and eventually my son Luke took over the business and kept expanding it from there.
Hi, my name's Luke Stratford. I'm the Managing Director of Quality Energy. We've seen a lot of that over the years. We get called up to clients that have gone for an off-the-shelf type product, and within 2 or 3 years the product can begin to fail, and that's because it just hasn't been designed for the environment that it's going into.
We could see improvements that could be made in the product that nobody was combining into one package.
That's when we started manufacturing power factor correction units, and it's also soon after when we started branching out into solar, EV charging, active harmonic filtration. We do everything from the design right through to the installation, and then usually the actual integration with their system happens right at the end of the project, where we actually have to shut down the site, connect our equipment in, and then turn it back on, re-energize, and then do the commissioning. The handover is a really critical aspect of any project. We walk through that process with a client. So there's a certain amount of documentation we have to supply the client on the product. That might be a certificate of electrical safety. It's also about showing the equipment to the client, how to operate the equipment, what to look for if there's a fault, for example, who to call, and then after that it's around the monitoring of this system. There's also remote monitoring options, so if anything malfunctions, at least the client is getting instant notification and they can call us. Quality Energy also have access to portals, so we can get on the front foot and really be proactive with our maintenance. With power factor correction, the savings for a client can be anything from 10 to 40% on their total electricity bill. With solar, we can see clients wipe up to 80 to 90% off their electricity bill with the introduction of battery energy storage. So one of the unique factors with Quality Energy, not only that we manufacture, we handle the entire process. So we're doing the design work, the manufacturing of the equipment, the installation, and the service contract means that Quality Energy have control of the whole process. 100% of the liability falls on our shoulders. Gives the client reassurance that everything's being done to the correct standard. That's great for compliance, and it's great for longevity of the equipment. That's why we've been around for 35 years, and that's why we're going to be around for the next 35 years. All of the clients we work with, we're there to solve a problem, whether that be reducing their energy costs, reducing their electrical demand, or whether that be improving their power quality. Our target customer is small, medium enterprise or commercial industrial type clients that are large energy users. We also work really well with partners. So after that initial consultation with one of our design engineers, we will tailor the data towards your exact needs, which is a desktop analysis. It's all done free of charge. You can reach out to us on our website, or you can just give us a call on our 1-800 number.